Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If you all remember the video that I featured which clothing items, among all that I did, I had two wigs that I couldn't try then because I had my I had crochet on. Yeah, I had my hair braided, if that is the right word to use, crochet, right? So, and now you all can tell I don't have it anymore, so I use this time to decided to show you guys what the wig look like on my head. All right, I'm gonna put the price of the wig on the screen, and at the same time I want you all to know they are very affordable. They are not human hair, all right, they are synthetic. Okay, so don't get disappointed if they don't look like what you expect them to look. I am not expecting them to look like wow. Okay, so because they are very like ridiculously affordable. Let me put it like that. This wig cap you guys are seeing is from the packaging as well. It came with a wig, which is not bad. So my thought is, if the wig doesn't work, I can always use the wig cap for other wigs that I own at home. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, do not forget to subscribe and do turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right into this video. We have 2 weeks to feature, so I'm going to be starting with the short one, then we'll go to the longer one and we'll wrap it up. So the short one is this one. I already unboxed it, so I don't want to waste too much of time, and I'm not going to talk too much about the detailing, which I already did in the other video. I'm going to link that video in this video in order for you to see it, just in case if you're interested to see how detailing they are. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it on. I can really tell now that the what is it called, the clothing is going to need some kind of foundation, because the clothing look like white. See, if you all can see, yes, you see how that the clothing is not bad, but it's just going to need help. Yes, it's going to need help to make it look as natural as possible. Look at what I'm talking about. Will I be wearing this wig? No. Will I be wearing it out? No. And the reason is because it's shedding like crazy. Look at that. 1, 2, it looks like super unnatural. Like the synthetic or whatever material they use looks so, whatever they use to produce it, I don't know. I'm not going to be wearing this out. It's just not the type of wig that I wear. Synthetic wig, don't get me wrong, but this particular one is just too obvious that it's synthetic. It doesn't have volume at the same time. I mean, it's cheap. Yeah, that's just it. And look at it. It's not, see, the bob is not like the kind of volume that I always like in bob. And see how this place is not staying the way this side is. I don't get it. Honestly, I don't get it. So let's just let you guys see how it looks like at the back at the same time. You see there, no, it's a no for me. I'm not going to go ahead to try to put any concealer to conceal it, because I'm not going to be using this wig. I mean, the fitting is not bad, but I just don't like, look at the flyovers and look at that. They're just falling apart. So I'm not going to recommend you to buy wig from Wish. So here is the second one. It's longer than that one. It also came with a wig cap, so there's no point for me taking this one out because I already have one here. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this one on, and let's see how the fitting. I like the length. Also the finishing is like the other one, the whitish thing showing, which you have to use a concealer or whatever to, you know, to conceal it and make it look as natural as possible. I'm not going to be doing that in this video, but let's see how this goes too. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop it on. Oh my goodness.
they call me.
Okay, so here's the second one. It's the same issue with the other one, but this one is not shedding like the other one, like really shedding. It's shedding but not a lot. And see, the comb is can't even go through. See, the comb can't even see. Anyway, let's leave that apart. The length is not bad. I like the length. Look at the length, how long it is. I mean, it's nice for the length, and I just don't like the texture. Even though it's synthetic, I expected it to be at least a little bit, you know, okay. I have the synthetic wigs that I can comb through easily, you know, but this one is just tangling right there, and the more you try to get through, the more shed. See, the more shedding. See, look at that. It's you know, it doesn't worth it. No, it's very affordable, very cheap. I'm going to use cheap, so but it doesn't worth wasting that money. Just if somebody can just save the money every month, or just save it somewhere and buy quality wig, period. All right guys, this is the end of this video. I'm not going to be repurchasing those wigs anymore from that website. Maybe they are clothing item, I'm not sure. I'm not, let me just be blunt, I'm not going to be purchasing from Wish website anymore. It's not for me, period. All right guys, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.